Hi there, this is Rafael, and today I will show how to install LAMP server, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. First, I install VirtualBox. I create an instance of Linux Ubuntu with basic configuration to finish the part that corresponds to Linux. So after run my Linux version on VirtualBox, I update and upgrade my system to make sure everything is working okay. So now here I have my terminal. I will start to install Apache 2. So to install Apache 2, I'm gonna type here sudo get install Apache 2 and Y for yes. So hit enter, gonna type my password, and here we go. And Apache 2 is installing right now. This is gonna take a couple of seconds to install all the packages that are running in a Linux. The Linux is running in a VirtualBox virtual machine. So this depends on the connection on internet. So right now Apache is installed. Next, I will install my SQL. So to install my SQL, I'm gonna type sudo same that before get install. I'm gonna install my SQL server and my SQL client. So let's double check this instruction, hit enter, and here this display we use. You want to continue? Of course, yes, and continue. So here is installing my SQL. So it's right now doing all the packages needed to install my SQL. So after that, we're gonna secure our installation of my SQL. So also it's recommendable to configure all the predetermined options that my SQL offer in the first installation. We're gonna see how to make all this configuration just in a bit. So yeah, just wait for that. It's almost ready. Okay. It's almost there. Okay, it's ready. Now I'm gonna secure my version of my SQL. So for that, I'm gonna type sudo my SQL underscore secure and installation, I think. Installation. Okay, I'm gonna type yes here. I'm gonna use just weak password. This is just a test. So I'm gonna type my password. You can choose strong or medium. I'm gonna re-enter my password, and here I'm gonna start to establish all the configuration that make my installation secure. Say yes for all these questions. So, and now it's done. My SQL is done. So next thing is to install PHP. To install PHP, since I did before, I'm gonna use to get install PHP. I'm gonna use the version 7.4 and with the patch 2. Remote and again the version PHP is 7.4, right? So I'm gonna confirm with this. Click enter, and here is installing PHP 7.4. Sometimes some packages are out of the version, so I just tried before using PHP 7.4, 7.2, doesn't work, so that's why I'm using PHP 7.4. So since they are updating the version every time, so right now it's ready. PHP 7.4 is installed. So in order to use PHP in combination with MySQL, I'm gonna type sudo get let's see, install PHP version is 7.4, and for MySQL it's gonna type MySQL, and I think with this I can run that, and yes, it's running. So this is just to make sure that PHP is working in combination with MySQL. So for this demo it's not necessary, but I'm always making sure that this is installed. So in order to prove that we install correct PHP and MySQL, because we already installed Linux and Apache is MySQL and PHP is running on Apache. So we want to type PHP version to see which version we are using. We installed 7.4. So, and here it is, PHP 7.4.3. So also we can do that for MySQL. I'm gonna type MySQL. Let's see the version. So our version is 8.0, running in Ubuntu and Linux. So all is done. In that way, we run Linux on VirtualBox first, after we install Apache, MySQL, and PHP, which are the elements that conform a LAMP server stack. So everything is up and running. So that's it for week 7. Thank you.